This next one is for you, Willie. You're the big Oculus guy, big VR guy. Oculus Quest 2 is going to get Infinite Office with Logitech keyboard and adjustable pass-through. This is not, honestly, I have not spent that much time in VR. But apparently, Facebook is aiming at you having VR instead of an actual PC. Instead of an actual monitor or laptop, you would just have VR.
Yeah. What they have now is called virtual desktop. And like you put your goggles on and it's literally like an office space.
Yes.
And you have your monitors kind of like floating there. So.
But it's in VR. It is not pass-through of the real world.
No. It's like strictly a different world kind of thing.
Yeah, so apparently that's what this is going to be. The Oculus browser built into Quest is Chromium based. It's compatible with all kinds of web apps. An earlier preview of something called Infinite Office showed it displaying programs streamed from your Windows PC, capable of doing that. And then this is the coolest part for me, this thing called Pass-Through Plus. It's the real world via black and white cameras instead of the virtual home environment. And there's a slider that lets you adjust pass-through for how much real world shows through.
Yeah. She's using her hand as like a slider.
Yes, correct.
Cool.
Now, the key part of this announcement is the keyboard. The key part is the keyboard down there. Apparently, Logitech will team up with Facebook. It's a partnership to bring the K830 into VR. You will pair it with the Quest 2, then see your hands typing on it in VR. So it's physically there, but it's in... You see what I'm saying here?
They're doing some great things.
That's crazy.
Oculus. Yeah. Right now they have hand tracking. So like, I mean, adding a full-fledged 3D model of a keyboard and then you typing.
But but you have the keyboard.
Yeah.
So the keyboard is there, but then it's also rendered perfectly in the VR.
So it's super accurate when you like.
Exactly. Type. That's crazy. That's going to be a weird mental adjustment to go on there. It's a really new announcement. So you don't have to necessarily rush out and try to buy this thing right now. I don't know how it is mapping out currently. Apparently, there's this Infinite Office for Quest 2 is going to give you the capability to have persistent surface panels like tables and couches, and they'll be saved so you don't have to always rebuild a work environment inside of your Infinite Office. So... I don't know, man. Like you and I got the headset on over here. You got over there. We're typing. We're reading the whole thing.
Yeah.
Who needs a display? You have the VR. You have the immersive thing going on, but then you can still interact with real world. I mean, it's kind of cool.
It is very cool, yeah.